Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
We're beginning today at one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign. Standing at the southern end of Las Vegas Boulevard, this simple structure has become the city's unofficial gateway for millions of visitors arriving each year. The sign was installed in 1959, designed by artist Betty Willis, whose goal was to capture the optimism of the city built entirely around imagination. It cost just a few $1,000s at the time and was never trademarked, a gift, she said, to the people of Nevada. More than 60 years later, it remains one of the most photographed symbols of the American West. Positioned on a small traffic island, the sign originally marked the boundary between the city of Las Vegas and the unincorporated town of Paradise, where most of the major resorts actually stand. That's why even though everyone calls it the start of the Strip, technically the Strip begins right here, in Paradise, not Las Vegas itself. Over the decades, the sign has seen the city change around it. From the early neon era and classic Rat Pack casinos to the modern skyline of glass towers, the message has stayed the same: welcome. It's a reminder that this city's identity has always been about inviting people in, offering them an escape from the ordinary. Today, the sign is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and carefully maintained by Clark County. It has its own parking area, solar-powered lights, and a steady stream of visitors stopping to take a photo beneath its iconic red stars and bold blue letters. For many, this is where their Las Vegas story begins, a quick snapshot before heading north towards the Strip's famous resorts. For others, it's a nostalgic stop, marking the end of a visit filled with memories. Either way, it remains a perfect symbol of the city's mix of history, showmanship, and simple charm. So here at the foot of Las Vegas Boulevard, the journey officially starts. From this sign, the city stretches north through decades of ambition and reinvention, a living timeline built on bright lights and bold ideas.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.